Today, we will be going over the filter by date range node. The filter by date range node filters an inputted date column based on an inputted from date and an inputted to date. In this workflow, we have a CSV file of a calendar with events and holidays that happen on each day. If we want to find out what holidays occur in the month of April, we use the filter by date node. We put the date as the input column. We set April 1st as the from date, and we set April 30th as the to date. And this should give us the first 30 days of April, which is all the days of April. When we execute this workflow, the printEnd rows node will print the first 10 days of April. We will see the result at the bottom of the results page.